Google's new feature SafetyCore has sparked privacy concerns after it was silently installed on Android devices with a system update in October 2024. SafetyCore scans photos on your phone for sensitive content such as nudity using an on-device machine learning model. While Google emphasizes that the scans occur privately without sending data to external servers, the app's secretive installation without user consent has raised alarm among users. Some even label it as spyware due to its silent operation and broad access to personal data like photos, contacts, and location. The feature, which is linked to sensitive content warnings in Google Messages, aims to prevent accidental sharing of explicit images. However, users were not informed about the app being installed, and many feel uneasy about the lack of transparency. Despite Google stating users can disable or uninstall SafetyCore, some reports indicate that it may reinstall itself during system updates. To remove SafetyCore, users can go to Settings, select Apps, then find and uninstall or disable SafetyCore. While Google assures that the app functions locally on the device without sharing data, the lack of communication and automatic installation has led to widespread skepticism and privacy concerns.